In this video I want to take a look at how to add lights inside of Enscape. Inside of SketchUp, but to be used with Enscape. So in order to add Enscape lights, what you need to do is first make sure that your Enscape toolbar is switched on. If you don't see it, just right click on the top toolbar and make sure that your Enscape toolbar is switched on. And once it's switched on, what you can do is you can click on this plus sign here. And when you click on the plus sign, you should see a couple of lights that you can use: the sphere, the spot, line, rectangle, and so on and so forth. But what we essentially use are we can just use these two for our purpose here. So if you want to use a sphere light, which is like an omnidirectional light, what you can do is you can click on the sphere light and just place it wherever you want, and that's it. That's your sphere light. And then if you want to move it, what you can do is you can zoom in just a tad, and then you can use the move tool and just move it. And when you're moving it, you see that it can be tricky when you move it. So what you can do is you can press on the keyboard's arrow keys in order to lock it into a certain axis. Now right now you see this green dotted line, so that means it's in parallel to the green axis. If you want to lock it to the green axis, what you can do is you can press the keyboard keys. Now the top arrow, it locks to the blue axis, as you can see. The right arrow, it locks it to the red axis. The left arrow, it locks it to the green axis, and that's what we want to do. And once it's locked onto the green axis, it doesn't move in other directions. So once you have it, you can just place it wherever you want. Now say if I want to move it a little bit higher, I can again use the move tool and also lock it to the blue axis, which is the top arrow, and then just move it wherever I want. No issue if that's the place that, yeah, that's fine. So I have that. That's the omnidirectional or the sphere light. I can use a spotlight as well, so you can go to spot and just place a spotlight like so on the wall, and whichever direction you want really, and that's it. And place the cone, and there you are. Again, the same thing, you can just move it if you want to move it a little higher, so you can just use the blue axis by pressing the arrow key while moving, and there we are. We have the two lights. To see how that works, I can click on the Enscape tool here, and then go to Enscape. Just click on it, and then let's let it render. And we have this my environment is dark. I think I might have changed the style. Oh, there we are. I think it's just the way. I'm not working with a mouse right now, that's why I can't really navigate. But if you press Shift and your right mouse button and move, you can come. I don't know if I can do that with the key, the pad on the computer. I don't think I can do that, but with pressing Shift and your right mouse button, you can change the time of day to make it nighttime, so that you can see the effect of the light. But right now I can't, because my mouse, I don't have the mouse with me. So try that out, and then you'll see the light. Right now you can't see much. Let's see if I can. Oh, there you go. So I'm pressing Shift on my keyboard, and I'm pressing the right mouse pad, and you can see how the light affects. So there we are. It's really hard to navigate without the mouse. But you can see the effect of the light. And what you can now do is you can go here, use the intensity to reduce or enhance the intensity. You can see I've selected the spotlight, so that's changing right now. If I go to SketchUp, if I select this one and come back here, and if I select change the intensity, you see that that changes as well. So that's how you add lights inside of Enscape, inside of SketchUp for Enscape. And in the next video, let's take a look at how to extract images directly from Enscape.